here at Galleher, Inglewood branch. Jonathan Leon has done a great job getting this all set up for us today for the Basic Coatings HyperTone Stain Workshop training. We're going to be demoing here. First off, these are going to be short videos, but this first one we're going to be demonstrating water popping the floor the proper way if you're on a job site. A lot of times for these trainings we'll just put it on by a rag. We're going to show you the proper way to water pop a floor on the job site, live, especially done. It's Mr. Tim Nathan. He's our technical advisor and stain expert that's going to be doing this, and we're having a big show up here. A lot of guys are coming in today. We've got all of our products set up here. There's our whole, we've got 14 colors to choose from, and a lot of our literature here. We just keep it very simple with this system. And of course, you know, everybody always asks me, they say, what finish do you put over? Well, there you go. Okay? It's just like the same thing. I say, you know, what does my shirt say right there? Okay? Right there. Okay? All right? So that's the finish that you use. All right? And this is our color selection right here. You got 14 colors to make any color you want. And we're going to be showing that here. And like I said, this first demonstration we're going to be showing will be water popping the panel.